on Tasty Treats Lane. He wakes up early every day to bake with joy and sugar and play. Blueberry, chocolate, lemon too, muffins in red, green, purple and blue. Oh, the Muffin Man, so sweet and grand, flour and sprinkles in each hand. He bakes with love, he bakes with cheer, and muffin magic fills the air. One bite, two bites, then a spin, you'll want to visit him again. He sings while he stirs, he hums with pride, with dough that dances side to side. He's got a cat named Sugar Puff, who helps him frost the muffins fluffy and tough. Kids line up with plates in hand to try the best in Muffin Land. Oh, the Muffin Man, so sweet and grand, with flour and sprinkles in each hand. He bakes with love, he bakes with cheer, and muffin magic fills the air. One bite, two bites, then a spin, you want to visit him again. There's a muffin maze behind his shop, with jelly rivers you can hop, chocolate chip trees and cupcake swings. Oh, the joy the Muffin Man brings. At night he lights his sugar lamp and tells tales by the cupcake camp, of muffin kings and gingerbread queens, and cookie pirates and vanilla streams. Then off to bed with crumbs and cream, to dream a brand new muffin dream. Yes, the Muffin Man, so sweet and grand, spreads muffin joy across the land. Come one, come all, and take a stand in the marvelous magical muffin band. With a giggle, a song, and a muffin in hand, you're welcome in his Muffin Land.